gonna show you guys how to make a natural electrolyte that doesn't have any sugars in it, doesn't have any stuff. It's like a great way for you, instead of just drinking plain water, you're gonna get electrolytes in, and you're also gonna get some important minerals. So I'm using Celtic Sea Salt. It's unrefined, it's chock full of minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. Minerals that our body needs. The salt that you see at restaurants or anything like that, that is table salt. That has nothing. That has been refined. So look for unrefined. I love this brand, Celtic Sea Salt. So it also has natural electrolytes in it. So what I'm gonna do is take a pinch of Celtic Sea Salt. I'm gonna put them at the bottom of this glass. And then I love the added flavor of lemon. I think lemon just, enhances the flavor, has natural acids. So if you're gonna drink water with food, drink it with lemon juice because it has the acidity to help break down the food. So I'm just gonna do half of a lemon, and I'll use the other half. I'll either squeeze it into a small jar and save for later, because I do about half a lemon. You could do a whole lemon if you wanted. I feel like I get enough flavor, and I love having a lemon squeezer. This just, I use this every single day, seriously. So that's it. So a pinch of Celtic Sea Salt, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and then I'm just gonna pour in my water. And this ball glass jar fills up 20 ounces. So I know I'm getting 20 ounces of mineral-rich, electrolyte, tasty water. And for those that don't like to drink water, this tastes really good. It almost tastes like a clean lemonade. So anyway, way to get some natural electrolytes in. This is an easy way. It's clean. It doesn't have any chemicals in it or any additives or sugars. So